Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Max.
Did you sleep well?
I am sorry. What?
Did you sleep well?
Oh, sleep well. Yes, I slept well.
That is good. I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you. How about you, Max?
I slept very well. Thank you for asking.
I am still a little sleepy.
You are still a little sleepy?
Yes, my eyes, they want to close.
I understand. I have tea. Tea helps me wake up.
Tea, that sounds nice.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please. Tea sounds very nice.
Let me get you a cup. One moment.
Thank you so much.
Here you go. A warm cup of tea for you.
Thank you. It smells good.
It is green tea. It is very gentle in the morning.
Gentle. What does gentle mean?
Gentle means soft, not strong, easy.
Oh, gentle, soft. I like gentle tea.
Good. Now we can talk about our morning.
Our morning routine?
Exactly. Our morning routine. Do you know the word routine?
Routine, something you do every day?
Yes. Perfect. Routine is the things you do every day.
I want to learn morning routine words.
That is a great idea. Let us talk about it. The first step in the morning routine. What is it?
I think I wake up.
Yes, you wake up. Very good.
I wake up. What time do you wake up, Max?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. That is early.
It is not too early. It is a good time.
I wake up at 7:30.
7:30 is also good.
When I wake up, I feel sleepy.
Me too. I feel sleepy when I first wake up.
First, then what?
Then I stretch my arms.
You stretch your arms?
Yes, like this. I stretch my arms up high.
Oh, I see. Stretch. I stretch my arms too.
It feels good, right?
Yes, it feels very good.
After I stretch, I sit up in bed.
You sit up. Okay.
I sit up slowly, no rush.
No rush means not fast.
Exactly. No rush means not fast. Take your time.
Take your time. I like that.
Then I put my feet on the floor.
Your feet on the floor.
Yes, feet on the floor. Stand up slowly. Stand up slowly.
Okay, I can do that.
That is the first step. You wake up, stretch, sit up, stand up.
Wake up, stretch, sit up, stand up.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I like learning like this, step by step.
Now you are standing. What is next?
I go to the bathroom.
That is right. You go to the bathroom.
What do you do first in the bathroom?
First, I wash my face.
Wash your face. With water?
Yes, with cold water. Cold water wakes me up.
Cold water, not warm water?
Some people like warm water. I like cold water.
I think I like warm water.
That is fine. Warm or cold, both are okay.
So I wash my face. Then what?
Then I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. I know that.
You use a toothbrush.
And toothpaste.
Yes, toothbrush and toothpaste.
How long do you brush?
I brush for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. That is long.
It is the right amount of time. Clean teeth are important.
Clean teeth. I agree.
After I brush, I rinse my mouth.
Rinse. Rinse means water in, water out?
Yes, you take water in your mouth and spit it out.
Okay, I rinse my mouth.
Do you use mouthwash?
Mouthwash? What is that?
It is a special liquid. It makes your mouth feel fresh.
Fresh. Nice smell?
Yes, fresh and clean smell.
Maybe I will try mouthwash.
It is not necessary, but it is nice.
Okay, so I wash my face, brush my teeth, rinse.
Good. Now the next step.
What do you do after the bathroom?
I think I get dressed.
Correct. You get dressed.
Get dressed means put on clothes.
Exactly. You put on your clothes.
What do you put on first?
First, I put on a shirt.
A shirt. Do you have a favorite shirt?
Yes, I like my blue shirt. It is simple and comfortable.
Blue is a nice color.
Thank you. I also like my gray shirt.
Simple colors.
Yes, simple colors are easy. After the shirt, I put on pants.
Pants or jeans.
Jeans are a type of pants. I usually wear jeans.
I like jeans too. They are comfortable.
Comfortable means feels good on your body.
Yes, feels good, not tight.
Not tight. Loose and easy.
So shirt and pants. What about socks?
Good question. Yes, I put on socks.
Socks first or pants first?
I put on socks after pants. Some people put socks first. It does not matter.
Okay, Socks after pants.
Then I put on shoes.
What kind of shoes?
For a normal day, I wear sneakers.
Sneakers. Those are sport shoes?
Yes, comfortable shoes for walking. Sneakers.
I wear sneakers too.
Great. Now you are dressed, ready for the next step.
Now what? I am dressed and ready.
Now it is time for breakfast.
Breakfast. The first meal of the day.
Yes, the most important meal.
Why is it important?
It gives you energy. Energy for your day.
Energy. I need energy.
Everyone needs energy in the morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat something simple,
Like what?
like toast. Toast with butter.
Toast. Bread in the toaster.
Yes, and butter on top. Sometimes jam.
Jam. Sweet fruit spread.
Exactly. Do you like toast?
Yes, I like toast. What else do you eat?
Sometimes I eat eggs.
Eggs. Fried or boiled?
I like scrambled eggs.
Scrambled. Mixed in the pan.
Yes, soft and warm. Very nice.
And what do you drink?
I drink coffee or tea.
Coffee gives more energy?
Coffee has caffeine. It helps you feel awake.
I like coffee. Small cup with milk.
That sounds very nice. A small cup.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, I like bananas. Easy to eat.
I like apples.
Apples are also easy. Cut them, eat them. Simple.
So breakfast is toast, eggs, fruit, coffee.
Or tea. You can choose.
I choose coffee with milk.
Good choice. After breakfast, what do we do?
After breakfast, I feel full and awake.
Me too. Now I check my plan for the day.
Your plan?
Yes, I look at my planner, a small book.
What is in the planner?
Things I need to do today.
Like a list?
Exactly, a to-do list.
To-do list. I know this word.
Do you use a to-do list?
Sometimes I write things on paper.
That is a good habit.
Habit means routine thing?
Yes, something you do regularly. A good habit.
What is on your to-do list today?
Today I need to go to the post office.
Post office. Send letters.
Yes, I also need to buy milk.
Buy milk from the grocery store.
Yes, and then I will study English.
Study English. I need to do that too.
We can study together.
I would like that.
Great, so that is my morning routine.
Wait, what about leaving the house?
Ah, yes, before you leave, you check 3 things.
3 things. What are they?
Keys, wallet, phone.
Keys, wallet, phone. Why those?
Keys to lock the door, wallet for money, phone for talking.
Keys, wallet, phone. I will remember that.
Check your pockets or your bag.
Pockets or bag. Okay.
Do you have everything?
Keys, wallet, phone. Yes, I have everything.
Then you are ready to go.
Max, can we say the routine again?
Of course. Let us say it together.
Yes, slowly, please.
First, I wake up.
I wake up.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I sit up.
I sit up.
I stand up.
I stand up.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
With cold water.
Yes, or warm water. Then I brush my teeth.
For 2 minutes.
Exactly. I rinse my mouth.
I rinse my mouth.
Then I get dressed.
I put on a shirt.
I put on pants,
Socks and shoes.
socks, and sneakers.
Then breakfast.
I eat toast.
I eat eggs.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee with milk.
Then I check my planner.
My to-do list.
And I check my 3 things.
Keys, wallet, phone.
You remembered perfectly.
Because you are a good teacher.
You are a good student.
Now I feel confident.
Confident means you believe in yourself.
Yes, I believe I can do my morning routine.
You absolutely can. Every day.
Every day. Wake up, stretch, wash, dress, eat, plan, go.
Perfect. That is the whole routine.
Whole means all of it.
Yes. Whole means complete. All together.
Thank you, Max. I feel ready to start my day.
You are very welcome, Lily. Have a wonderful morning.
You too, Max. See you later.
See you later. Take care.